Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to add a profile photo on the Clubhouse app. This tutorial is perfect for anyone new to Clubhouse or those who want to personalize their profile with an image. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to upload and adjust your profile picture. First, open the Clubhouse app on your device. Once you are inside, look at the top right and tap on your profile icon. Next, click on your current profile picture or the placeholder image. After that, tap on Add a photo. You will be given the choice to choose a photo from your gallery. Select the image you want to use from your phone storage. Then, after selecting your photo, you can adjust it by cropping it to fit the profile frame. Then click on Crop at top right. Once you are satisfied with the crop, click on Done at the bottom to save your changes. Finally, click on the X icon at the top right to exit the editing mode. To make sure your new profile photo appears correctly, refresh your profile page. Your new image should now be visible to everyone who visits your profile. Remember to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.